everything goes outside. Then put it. Then you get your gun. Yeah. Then if you want to put it in.
Wrong way. Wrong way.
If you do it like that, it's the wrong way. But if you do it like this, it's the right way. But how you get it out is you get this. Then put it out. But if you don't know, then just take it. Yeah. Then you can say this off. If you want to take that off, first take this off. But if it's tricky, just tell someone. So if you do it like that, it might get broke. But mine is fine because I did it a little bit hard. Now you need the button. Now pull. Then you need to get this and put the gun right here. Then get the blaster. Yeah. Push this back. Then when you push it forward, that stays it. No. You can't get this out. If you can just pull hard enough, yeah, then it'll come out. But if you can't,
Rotate a bit. You need to rotate.